Welcome to Powerhouse. Today we're going to be repairing this quarter panel. First step, we just started washing the car, everything clean, and then we'll get started.
So Chung, so when you're using the air blower, it doesn't wreck the paint on the car?
No.
No? Good. So what's your process now, Chung? Like, what are you going to be doing right about now?
We're going to sand it down.
Sand it down?
Get it back to bare metal, and then use the easy beat and just pull it out. Really explain how what happens to a panel when it gets dented. So basically, when let's say that's the panel, when it gets hit there, what happens is that goes down, and then there's two high spots. So you got a low spot and then two high spots. So what we're going to do is pull that up while tap these down to get it flat again.
Yeah. Can you feel if it's straight or not?
Yeah. Low down there. And you can see it. You can see it if you look closely. The sander is flat, so all those low spots didn't get touched.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. So you know that's low then.
So what's this stuff now, Chung, that you just put on?
Phosphoric acid. To treat the metal before and condition it before you put the bog over it. Yeah. Put about 3 coats down and let's see.